Alright guys, today we got a 2003 G35, alright? This is a 2-door coupe. We're gonna be changing these side markers, alright? This is in the front. If you buy a package like this, it's gonna come with 2 of these right here.
Yep.
Alright? And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna pop this open. This is very simple, alright? There's no screws, no nothing. Pop that just like that. Comes right out. We're gonna twist the bulb off. Alright, and we're gonna pull out that bulb, alright? Let me grab this bulb while he's holding that. There you go, the bulb comes out. This new light, it has a connector that looks just like the bulb, so you stick that in there. And this is gonna stay hanging, alright? It's not gonna go in there. Yeah, you could stick it in there. You know what? Let's stick it in there. Get all the wiring in there. And then we'll twist that back on just like a bulb. There you go. So once you have it twisted on,
It's kind of sturdy. The wires in the way.
just get the wires to sit properly. Make sure the connector doesn't come out. Connector's out, connector's out.
Gotta play with it a little bit.
Alright, once you get that connector in there, all you're gonna do is you're gonna stick this in. Hold on one second. This end is just like a little clips. They go right in and it clips right in.
Gotta play with it a little bit.
Alright guys, backing up a little bit, we pull this thing out. Before you put this in, test it, alright? We're gonna turn the lights on. Go ahead, turn the lights on. So that's what it's gonna look like, alright guys? And that's it. You can shut it off. Alright, so to get this, you gotta get this little retainer in there and plus a retainer in the back. Just like that. Alright, we're gonna have to bend that little retainer and it should stay like that. Alright guys, if you need to, if it's not going in, like you've seen mine's popped out, just bend this little retainer, just squeeze it a little bit, just like that. And that should help it go in just like that. All right, there you go. Let's put this on now. Let's take a look. All right, I turned my shop light off and let's do that. Look at that, guys. You've seen, let me show you the other side so you can see before and after. This side's not even working, but there you go. Look how nice that looks. All right guys, thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next one.